It's also when you make a loud noise in like church, like when maybe someone's praying or everyone's just sitting still or something, and you know you feel a cough coming on, and you start off with a suppressed cough. You go like, and don't hold it in. It's not gonna help. I promise you guys. You just need to let it out, because if you hold it in like, and it's just loud, and like a sneeze. My mom has the loudest sneeze. And it's just, you know, you usually can hear it. She's usually like, and she's done it in church. I'm like, oh my God.